Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. Darwin's theory of pangenesis shows the similarity with the theory of inheritance acquired character. Then what shall be the correct according to it? So जो डार्विन ने pangenesis की थ्योरी दी थी, so उसकी जो similarities बहुत हैं, जो थ्योरी है हमारे पास acquired character वाली, so which is given by Lamarck. So Lamarck given this theory of acquired characters which is disapproved by many scientists. So this is disapproved. So, but the theory of Darwin of pangenesis is also matched with the theory of Lamarck's. So why should we do not consider accordingly? So Darwin की जो theory थी, because they just thought about the organism changed. So उन्होंने बताया था कि ऑर्गेनिज्म चेंज हो जाता है, उनके कैरेक्टर्स जो वो लाइफ टाइम एक्वायर करते हैं वो डिपेंड करते हैं नेक्स्ट जनरेशन उनकी कैसी होगी. सो बिकॉज वो कैरेक्टर्स जो हैं वो नेक्स्ट जनरेशन में पास हो जाते हैं. सो दिस इज सेड बाय द Lamarck's theory and the Darwin's theory. So this shows many similarities. So how we will consider that? So answer to this question is as like, so they have similarities. So to disapprove that similarities or taken their similarities, that they are not using them to help in survival. उनकी सर्वाइवल में कोई हेल्प नहीं कर रही थी वो थ्योरीज, एंड वो उनका कोई प्रूफ भी नहीं था. दे हैव डू नॉट हैव एनी प्रूफ फॉर दैट थ्योरी. सो इसीलिए जो इनहेरिटेंस की दोनों की थ्योरी थी, they are basically on the basis of inheritance. Lamarck also proved their theory on the basis of inheritance, and the theory of pangenesis which is given by Darwin, it is also same as Lamarck's theory on the basis of inheritance. So hence our answer is that it explains the theory of some basis of inheritance is our answer. So let's study about the option, then give answer. Useful organs become strong and developed while useless organs become extinct. So this is not a theory of Darwin and the theory of Lamarck which is given. Next is size of organ increase with aging. No. So development of organ is due to willpower. No, it is not basis of inheritance. So next option is there should be some physical basis of inheritance. So D, option D is the correct option. So I hope you understand the answer. All the best.